Hey guys, Joseph here from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. We're under a house here, just about to slice up this square of concrete. Underneath here is a 100ml Urbanware drain, which is obviously broken. Those drains are very old. We're going to be cutting out a section and replacing it with 100ml PVC. So stick along for the ride and I'll show you what's going on. Hey guys, Joseph here again from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts. As you can see, we've done the drain repair there. Connecting onto the old Urbanware. We've added in a junction for an inspection opening. And as you can see, we've made quite the mess. But the end result will be real nice, so stick around. Hey guys, Joseph from Gold Coast Plumbing Experts here. We're all done. The hole's concreted up. We've got an inspection opening there. And job well done. See you next time.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.